Well, if you're going to play with it, I'm going to give you some eggs and you can make some breakfast for me. What do you think? She's like, I love this thing. It makes so much noise. Dip you on the toes. Easy. You know you got to wash this when you're done. Yeah, don't me. I don't think I want you to have that. Nope. There's a whole cabinet full of stuff. Are you done? You're going to shut the cabinet when you're done? Ooh, what's your moves? Ah, the fingers, the fingers! Second done. Make sure you don't get it. Okay.
Why is 4 minutes too much?
Yeah, then it's too big to send. And I don't have the stuff with the software to cut it.